Hello, this is Jen, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to make a stacked single crochet, abbreviated STSC. First, you're going to turn your work so that the working yarn is behind the fabric, making sure that the loop on your hook is just maybe a little bit larger than you would normally have it. Insert your hook into that first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over again and pull through two. That's all there is to it. I'm going to make a few more single crochets just so we can look at that stacked single crochet compared to a regular single crochet. The top of the stitch looks exactly the same, and it's just as easy to work into. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.